I'm going to show you how to change appearance of your replica in the Replika AI app. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Replika AI app, and once you're in the app, you would be in this interface. Just look at the top left corner where you can see an icon. Just go ahead and tap there. Once you're here, just look at the bottom where you can see options like clothes, appearance, and room. Just go ahead and tap on appearance, since that is what we're trying to change. So now you can change your avatar or your hair. Look at this. If you want to change the color of your hair, there's also the option for that. You can also change the color of your skin. You can change your body hair. There's also the option for eyes. So not all of them are free, so you may need to have certain gems or coins to purchase them. You can also change your voice. There's the option for nails, makeup, tattoo, freckles, and age. So there you go. That's how you change the appearance of your replica. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.